Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark III. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. Firstly, let's go to Play Store. Now search for battery sound notification. Install this app. Open it and tap plus in the right corner. Select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source.
Disconnected.
Now name your function and give it description. If it's done, tap this button to save. Now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.